So hello friends and welcome back to my channel Stay Healthy with Saksham, and today I am going to tell you how to cure cough from home remedies. Try these 5 effective home remedies for cough, dry and wet cough that might help you feel better. Number 1. Turmeric milk. You should drink a glass of milk with 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric twice a day to clear your throat. Another home remedy for a stubborn cough is adding garlic to the above blend. Simply boil a clove of garlic with milk and then add a pinch of turmeric to it. This drink is an ideal cough treatment because it helps your healing and soothing your throat. You can even add ginger instead of garlic, both work equally well. Gargle with turmeric water a few times in a day to get relief from constant coughing. Number 2. Giloy juice. It builds your immunity and is known to bring about a balance in 3 dosas: Vata, Pitta and Kapha. It acts as an anti-allergic and thus helps in treating cough caused due to allergic reactions to smoke, pollution or pollen. Number 3. Honey plus mulethi plus cinnamon. Honey is known for its great anti-inflammatory properties. A 2007 study conducted at Penn State College of Medicine showed that honey is actually more effective than over-the-counter medicines that mostly contain cough suppressants like dextromethorphan. Number 4. Black pepper. For productive cough, black pepper is the simplest home remedy. Mix 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper with desi ghee and have it on a full stomach. The heating quality helps in clearing congestion. Have this concoction at least 2 to 3 times in a day for best results. Number 5. Pomegranate juice for kids. You could give your kids a mix of half cup of pomegranate juice, a pinch of ginger powder along with pipali powder. Pipali is a rejuvenating Ayurvedic herb. Pomegranate juice has a mild effect on the throat and ginger works due to its heating action. Pomegranate is also rich in vitamin A and C that boost immunity. You could even replace ginger with black pepper. Number 6. Spice tea. A warm cup of spice tea is a great way to get rid of a bad cough naturally. Add half teaspoon ginger powder, a pinch of cinnamon and some cloves. All 3 spices are known to heal you from within. These warming spices gently reduce congestion and phlegm in the lungs and also help in drying up a runny nose. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.